Welcome to a special edition of Trivial Jeopardy with special guests Dr. Albert Einstein and Sir Isaac Newton.
It's a pleasure to be here.
It's a real honor.
Alright, now for the first question of the day. But first, gentlemen, make sure to keep your hands behind your back. Question 1 for 20 points. What are subcellular structures in the cytoplasm of a cell where proteins destined for export are assembled?
The rough endoplasmic reticulum?
Correct. Question 2 for 40 points. True or false? The cell theory states that everything is made out of cells, living and non-living.
False.
That's correct. The cell theory says that living things are made up of cells. Question number 3. The chloroplast is found in animal cells, plant cells, or both.
Plant cells.
Would you care to explain what chloroplast is?
Oh yes, of course. The chloroplast is a plastid containing chlorophyll and other pigments. It also carries out photosynthesis.
Question 4 for 100 points. How do things get from the inside of the nucleus to the outside?
Through nuclear pores, of course.
Wow, that's 100% correct. Question 5 for 120 points. What organelle has been given the name powerhouse of the cell?
The mitochondria.
Correct. Question 6 for 150 points. What encloses the cytoplasm of a cell?
The cell membrane.
Well, that was close. Nicely done, Sir Isaac Newton.
Thank you.
Question 7 for 170 points. What is smooth ER and what is one of its functions?
It is a system of membranous tubes and sacs. Its functions are synthesis of lipids, metabolism of carbohydrates, and calcium concentration, drug detoxification, and attachment of receptors on cell membrane proteins.
Nicely done. Question number 8 for 200 points. Name the function of mitochondria.
The production of energy in the form of ATP.
Nicely done. Question number 9 for 240 points. Name 3 functions of the nucleus.
The nucleus stores the genetic entropy necessary for reproduction, growth, and metabolism of not only the cell it controls, but also of the organism on the whole.
Yeah.
It also contains the DNA and RNA of the cell, and is also responsible for the secretion of ribosomes.
Very good, very good.
Question number 10, last question, for 260 points. Why is the vacuole of a plant cell much bigger than the one of an animal cell?
Plant cells have a bigger vacuole filled with cell sap. When you water a plant, the water collects in the vacuole and makes it stiff. Animals don't have to store water because they can just get some more.
That is correct. Now we head backstage to our supercomputer in the sky to calculate the points for us. We're back, and the results are in. They're astounding. With 650 points, Dr. Albert Einstein. But with a whopping 710, Sir Isaac Newton takes the lead in an incredible comeback. Well done. Well, that's all for our special edition of Cytology, Jeopardy Trivia style.